Hey guys, Mark here from Eibach. Today we're unboxing something a little bit different. Hot Wheels. So here we have Hot Wheels' new Team Transport Eibach edition. This came out just recently, but we have just the Eibach cars here. So let's take a look. All right, so we get 4 to a box. All right, so here she is. First thing you notice is you've got 2 vehicles in the pack. You have the BMW M3 E46, which is actually a new casting for 2021. And then the Aerolift, which has been around on a couple other Team Transports. This is a pretty cool setup. So you've got some great artwork, some great renderings from Julian over there at Mattel at Hot Wheels. Always really nice work there. And then on the back, you see the other cars in the series. Our friends over at Hoonigan made it into this series, which is really cool. You got the Hot Wheels branded one, and then the 32 Ford, which is, this one's pretty rad as well. So there's a UPC code, and then some logos of partners on the back. But all in all, a really awesome Team Transport. We're super excited to have these. Let's open it up. This is also the first time I've ever opened any Hot Wheels. My whole collection is sitting on pegs in their packaging still, so this really, really hurts. But we're doing it for you guys. All right. So right off the bat, you've got a premium edition car. So you got metal construction the whole way through. Hot Wheels calls it ZMAC. You got rubber tires and some really nice wheels on there. So the first thing I notice right off the bat is this livery that Hot Wheels chose is actually based off of a livery we used on a virtual Nürburgring race, R8, which was very cool. So you have the Eibach chevron stripes that run the whole way through and all around the vehicle as well, and then you have the Eibach logos on the back. So great representation of the brand, and love what they did with the design there. Very cool. And then obviously you have the number 46 on there because this is the E46, of course. Another thing you'll notice is that the wheels are a very cool new design. I think they based this off of sort of like a Volk CE28N or maybe the ZE40s. Which is very cool. And then moving on to the truck, the Aerolift is what they call this. It has some movement to it, and also what I appreciate or what I like is that they also used a lot of the same colorway and design into and incorporate that into the design of the Aerolift. And you know, you've got some matching Watanabe wheels or Watanabe style wheels, which is really cool. So the whole package looks really well thought out and put together very nicely. Again, this is the BMW M3 E46 chassis. There are a couple of these made, or a couple different designs. This is more of the modified design. It's got the extra splitter winglets that you find on, I think, more like a CSL style bumper, and it's just a little more modified in general. There was also a red line edition, so if you're a Hot Wheels collector and really into Hot Wheels, you'll be familiar with the red line series vehicles. This is a 2006 BMW M3, a little bit different design. This one has a hood, movable hood, and a little more true to the OE dimensions, but we're a company who modifies our vehicles, so this is the perfect fit for us. There you have it, Eibach E46. You guys might remember SEMA of 2019, we had a really cool BMW 2002 from Hot Wheels. We've been partners with Hot Wheels for many, many, many years, and kind of got back together with them for the release of this BMW 2002 Car Culture series. And if you remember correctly, we did the whole reveal at SEMA, and it was awesome. We were able to bring like 1,000 cars there and give them away, and then had Wilfred sign them, Wilfred Eibach sign them as well. So it was really special, and we really appreciate the partnership and the relationship that we have with Hot Wheels. So it was very cool to start with the BMW 2002, and then now have the BMW E46 M3. It's very fitting. We're super excited to have these. They will be available at eibach.com. So hop on there and grab them while you can. We have a very limited number available, so they're gonna go quick. Thanks to Hot Wheels, and we look forward to seeing what's coming out next, because there may or may not be some more.